I'm going to show you two ways to find the value of x for this equation right here. X times the square root of 27 equal to the square root of 3. What is x equal to? So the first method is just to divide both sides by the square root of 27. Okay, so x of which is equal to the square root of 3 divided by the square root of 27. Alright, so the square root of 3 divided by, so what is the square root of 27? The square root of 27 is just equal to the square root of 9 times 3. Okay, now we're going to break it down a little further. The square root of 3 divided by the square root of 9 times the square root of 3. Okay, so the square root of 3 cancel out, 1 over the square root of 9. So what is 1 over the square root of 9? So x is equal to 1/3. Okay, that's the easy way to do it. And the other way would be just to okay, so we know that this is a simple way to do it. X equal to 1/3. The other way would be just to bring the square root of 3 to the left side. So x is equal to the square root, x times the square root of 27 minus the square root of 3 is equal to 0. So it's the same thing. We break down the square root of 27. So x times the square root of 9 times 3 minus the square root of 3 equal to 0. And now we can break down a little more. X times the square root of 9 times the square root of 3 minus the square root of 3. Okay, equal. So the square root of 9 is just 3. So we can say 3x times the square root of 3 minus the square root of 3 equal to 0. Now we can factor out the square root of 3. We can say that the square root of 3 times 3x minus 1, okay, equal to 0. Now we want to get rid of that square root of 3. We divide both sides by the square root of 3. Okay. Now we have left us 3x minus 1 is 3 divided by the square root of 3 just equal to 0. And then we plus 1 on both sides, plus 1 on both sides. So 3x is equal to 1, and then divide both sides by 3. So x is equal to 1/3. That's the long way. You want to do the short way, that's the first method. There's a second method, it's a long way to do it. So that's how I would do it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.